Lookalike audiences help you scale your ad campaign audience. Let us say you have a database of 500 customers who purchased from you. Facebook can use this data to find more people who are similar to your customers. So, on seeing your ad, there is a good chance that they too become your customers. Let's see how to create a lookalike audience for our ad campaign. To create a lookalike audience, we need to first create a custom audience of our existing customers. We go on Facebook Business Manager, click on All Tools, then Audiences. Under Create Audience, we click on Custom Audience. Now, we choose a way to import our customer information on Facebook. It could be through our website's Facebook pixel data, or even using a CSV file. In this case, we choose the customer list, which means a CSV file of our database. To see the right way of naming our database fields, we can download this template. It contains fields like email, phone number, first name, last name, and so on. The more information we provide about our customers, the better it is for Facebook to find a higher matching lookalike audience. As a good practice, our list can have a customer value, which means we can have a lifetime value column as part of the list. Facebook uses this data to find a lookalike audience who tend to buy or pay more. This brings us a more valuable audience. In our demo list, we don't have a customer value. So we select No. Let us now upload the list. Weaning our audience in a way that is easily identifiable. Then Facebook asks us to map our column fields like email, phone number, first name to its identifiers. Under Action Needed, we can choose to match or not upload any of our columns. Facebook will then start importing our list. And now in Step 2, we use the custom audience to create our lookalike audience. So we select its source. That is our custom audience name. Choose our campaign audience location. This lets Facebook understand what market it has to search for. Next comes an important part. We determine the size of our audience. If you think the bigger the audience, the better it is not always the case. On the scale, the ranges closest to the left, like 1%, 2%, 3%, indicate audiences who share the most similar characteristics with the audience we uploaded. This means our audience targeting will also be more precise, but the downside is this audience number is limited. On the other hand, when we scale up in the range, the audience increases too, but the matching characteristics go down, and so does the quality of our audience. As a safe bet, we can start with 1% audience and see how the campaign performs. If that does well, we can gradually build up our audience. A great thing is that we can even create multiple audiences. Let us say one audience is from 0 to 1%, and the second is from 1 to 4%. So now we have multiple audiences to test out campaigns. These audiences do not overlap each other, and they are mutually exclusive. Finally, we hit the Create Audience button. Here we can see our two lookalike audiences, 1 to 4% and 0 to 1%. It takes around 24 to 48 hours for Facebook to populate our audience, post which we can build our ad campaign. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please share it in the comments. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about digital marketing.